Thank you very much, and we will do the presentation of our financial statement of this past quarter. Still, very thank you for coming to our press conference. Analysts and the press is come here still. Thank you very much. Before Alain will start our presentation, I would like to emphasize one thing on our financial statement this time. We got unqualified opinion this time. It was very long time already. 6 quarters we got qualified opinion, but this time we got the unqualified opinion. I think in these days in our company, in any press conference or the questionnaires from the analysts, normally very focused on the litigations or this kind of qualification, these kind of things, more than the business. In these days, actually, it was repeatedly always talk about these kind of things. Still, we have issues on litigation side with the ex-partner, but you can see the announcement by SEC. We had restated our financial statement. We had revised our financial statement, and our stock released from NB sign, and now we got the unqualified opinion. So step by step, we are improving our status. So now I think the status-wise, it's getting much normal than before, and I think from investor point of view, our financial statement could be trustable more than before. So it looks very slow, but I'm quite sure we, management and our staffs, is doing right way. We are still in the proper track. We will improve step by step for sure, and we are in right track, I think. I really appreciate on you still attending this press conference, and I saw many investors in our shareholder meeting last April. I saw a very long time investors still there, so I think everybody was really tolerant on these days. So I really appreciate on that. And also I really appreciate on our staffs, especially accounting staffs and other staffs who try to explain our situation, and our staffs quite believe in our company and our management, and working very hard to get out from this situation. So I really appreciate on our staffs also. So I'm very happy to say we got unqualified opinion at this moment. We come back to normal. หลังจากนี้ให้คุณอลัยทำ presentation แล้วนะครับขอบคุณนะครับ
Okay, good morning everyone. I think you already looked at the financial statement disclosed this morning. We will move and explain the result, and we will try to give enough time for the question and answer. And I think you may have some question about litigation. So our legal, Kun Manidash, is there. I will try to make it simple and give time for the question after. Okay, let's go. Okay, so year on year, Q1 18, Q1 19, in terms of revenue, there is a decrease by 4%. Okay, mainly in asset-backed loan and in Thailand operation and Indonesia. The good news is the microfinance business is our second largest income now, meaning that the business in Myanmar is growing well. The 23 million baht increased by 5-6 million compared to last year is the high purchase that we are doing in Myanmar also. So it's increasing. Okay, this part 1.8. So because our revenue decreased a little bit, we did some improvement also in our OPEX. So the good news is the cost in legal fee decreased. So our OPEX improved by 33 million, but our credit cost increased by 10% year on year. We are still working on the quality, okay, but we try to control our OPEX to have more margin. And our investment associate company in Sri Lanka, CCF, show the last 2 quarters in a row some improvement in the result. Okay, at the bottom line, when we go straight to the end, we have a decrease from 146 to 132. Okay, that's showing that the revenue decrease, some more credit cost. So our earnings before the tax, can you show the second slide, please? Yes, so you can see that our profit before tax is decreasing. And we have some unrealized gain on exchange rate for this quarter, showing that there is an improvement by 11 million baht. So compared to Q1 18 and Q1 19, there is a small improvement, which is a good surprise because we faced a tough situation. We deliver nearly 112 million baht of net profit compared to 106 million baht. Okay, so a little bit in detail. Okay, so very quickly, just a summary what we just explained. So you see the declining on the asset-backed loan. Also, this is stable. This is the disputed loan. Nothing changed. Group loan is more related to the microfinance. CCF is stable because of the rate between the Thai baht and the rupiah. But when you look at the result in local currency in rupiah, it shows some improvement in local currency. Two quarters in a row, they improved the net result. During the AGM, I think Brian prepared a slide with the impact of exchange rate between Thai baht and rupiah. Okay, I think it was something more than 10% of decrease. So when you look at this, it's stable, but in fact, you can understand the mathematics that in local currency it was improving. Portfolio decrease also. Mainly is coming from the Cambodian asset-backed loan and a little bit in Thailand, a little bit. And we are a bit affected by the competition. Yes, the profit increased because of the exceptional item, but overall it showed that despite this environment, we are able to control a little bit our OPEX, maintain the revenue more or less, and keep the profitability a little bit in the same way than the last year. So you have the breakdown by country. So you see the decline of the portfolio from the revenue from Cambodia going to 21 to 16%. But Thailand increase, Myanmar increase, and other countries minor. There is a small change by 1 point. But you can see that quarter after quarter, Myanmar take more importance. The breakdown by product also shows some small change, but not too much compared to previous quarter. Okay, now we have more time to answer to the question, and we welcome Kun Manida. She's there in case you have some question on litigation also, because that is a big topic all the time. Okay, thank you very much, and we are happy to answer to any question.